In this video, I will show you how you can get super fast charging 2.0 on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now, to do that, first of all, just open Settings. Now, under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Battery. Under the Battery settings, just scroll down even more and tap on Charging Settings. And from here, just make sure that fast charging is enabled. Now, after you do that, then you will enable fast charging on your Samsung phone. Now let me quickly explain the charging terms used by Samsung. Now there are 4 charging standards. You have fast charging, super fast charging 2.0, and super fast charging 3.0. The difference in between them is that fast charging charges your Samsung phone in around 15 watts, and super fast charging uses 25 watts to charge your Samsung phone. Now since I have the Galaxy S26, it only supports super fast charging. Now, super fast charging 2.0 is supported on the Galaxy S26 Plus and the S26 Ultra, which charges your Samsung phone at 45 watts. Then finally, we have super fast charging 3.0, which charges your phone at 60 watts. And this charging standard is only supported on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, if you have the Galaxy S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra, you can use Samsung's original 45-watt charger to get the maximum super fast charging 2.0 on your Samsung phone. If you use any other fast charger, even if you use a third-party 45-watt charger, you will not get the super fast charging speed. If you plug in your Samsung phone using any other charger, it will just say fast charging, and it will not say super fast charging 2.0. But if you plug in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra to a Samsung's original 45-watt charger, it will show you that your Samsung phone is charging using the super fast charging 2.0 standard. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.